What's up, guys? This is Brandon here from Tidewater Aerial Solutions, and I'm just going to give you a little quick rundown on what I've kind of experienced on the Baby Hawk R flying as a new drone flyer, especially in the FPV world. So this was my first brushless quad. Most of you probably are out there looking for a brushless. You're kind of flying the tiny whoops, and you're looking for a little bit more power because you see everybody out there doing all this acro flying and all this good powerful super high maneuvers, and you just want to step up. So this guy here, I bought it I don't know, maybe 2 months ago, and it took me a while to get the batteries, the charger. I went through some bad chargers and I went through some bad batteries, but anyway, I ended up getting these batteries right here. I think it's pronounced Tattoo, but these are 1300 milliamp hours. They fit nice and good under the quad, like you see there. Only problem I have now is I'm waiting on a better strap, because the strap that came with it is pretty much crap. It's the cheapest thing you could probably send with it. So if I was you guys, I would not even use it. I would, right on the get-go, I'd order a new one. That way you're not sitting here waiting for one to come in and having to do the duct tape or the painter's tape mod that I did here. I just did this today because I really wanted to fly, and the strap should be here tomorrow, but I'm thinking this will hold up. I've already flown about 2 batteries with it taped, but I just kind of, I'm taking it easy with the tape job on there. But the battery looks big, but the drone really handles the power, or handles the weight really well. So, and these batteries, you'll get about 8 minutes of flight time depending on your flying. So I think it's a good little fit for this quad. Just give you a little showdown of what happened. So basically, the strap broke, battery fell out, it snapped off my positive contact, and then the drone came down. It chipped up some of the propellers, but the propellers actually held up. I mean, I can still fly this thing even after crashing it from about 40 feet in the air on the concrete. So definitely a durable propeller. You get a little scratching there, but that's really going to happen over time anyway with one of these quads, especially if you're out there having fun with it like I am. But other than that, I think it's a great little flyer, durable. Batteries, I would say I would stick with this 1300 milliamp hour. You could probably go smaller if you want a little bit less flight time and maybe you're concerned about the weight. But I think this holds up well. I'm going to keep flying it with these, and these are going to probably be the batteries for this quad for a long time until they wear out, and then maybe I'll go a little bit smaller, maybe a little bigger, who knows. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. If you're getting ready to get one of these things, go for it. It's awesome. You're going to really love it. It's going to scare the crap out of you when you first fly it, but once you get used to the power, you're going to be flying everywhere like crazy. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and share or subscribe if you want to keep up to date on my videos. I'll be posting some more soon about my Dark Max once I get it up in the air. And yeah, thanks, guys.